Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is the system requirements of Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. One of the newest operating system that is around in our society is Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. So I visited the website of Microsoft. So Windows 10 system requirements. Okay, so latest OS, make sure you're running the latest version with the Windows 7 Service Pack 1 or Windows 8.1 update. So the processor should be 1 gigahertz or faster processor, much higher, much better. And then for RAM, actually Windows 10, I think no, in my opinion, can you check also no, is the last Microsoft version of operating system that supported 32-bit architecture. Windows 11 definitely is available only for 64-bit architecture. So for 32-bit machines, we have 1 gigabyte, and then for 64-bit we have 2 gigabyte. Still small, no, system requirement. But the question is, if you open and run several programs simultaneously, if you have a very small memory in your computer, you will experiencing hang-ups or lags no, during running several programs. So my advice, my personal advice that most people will also agree, is to upgrade your computer, your laptop or desktop with additional memory. It will help a lot in running several programs simultaneously. Hard disk drive, we have 16 for 32-bit okay, operating system, and 20 gigabyte for 64-bit operating system. So the graphics is DirectX or later with WDDM 1.0 driver and display 800 by 600. Okay, as we can see, no, the system requirements of Microsoft Windows 10 is not much higher compared to its predecessor, the current one, the Microsoft Windows 11. And still you can use in older machine, but make sure you have sufficient enough memory, okay, because you will experiencing some hang-ups or even lagging when you're running several or many applications simultaneously. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video on the system requirements of Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys. Now if you're new, by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.